So normally, we are Insta360 users, meron tayong Action 4, and then what I'm using right now is an Ace Pro. Normally, marami tayong ginagamit na mga attachments sa mga cameras for vlogging, for content creations. So ngayon, we got this PGY Tech Mantis Pod from Vizen. Binili natin to. Ang difference kasi nito with this, meron siyang battery within an attachment. So, difference ito, meron siyang battery within. So, you can charge your Insta360 or your action cam with this as well. So, para mabawasan na yung dala mo. Kaya ako siya binili. And I wanna try. Alam niyo naman, pagdating sa mga ganito, addict. This one has a built-in 5,000 mAh battery. Meron siyang standard multifunctional remote, magnetic design for easy operation siya. Of course, yung importante sa kanya yung innovative hook design in Mantis mode. Ito yung pwede mo siyang i-attach nakasabit. And then, of course, the ball can switch between horizontal and vertical. So, let's unbox this. So, meron siya mga reading materials. Ito na siya. So, it has a strap. This is the camera attachment. Kasama pang sticker. Ito na yung main unit. Ito yung main handle. Kagandahan sa kanya, alam mo, pwede siyang remote tatanggal. So let's say if this is here, yung camera niya, and then you just wanna record, you just press it. Amazing! So ito yung battery attachment. So kung gusto mo na i-charge, for example with this, sige, i-touch, nag-charge siya. Weight-wise, it has some weight to it, pero not as much. Alam mo ang difference ito kasi you can extend this. This one, you have to use your hand for tabletop. Ayan siya. So, who is this for? If you're a content creator, if you like to vlog, you can have this. And kumpara mo kasi dito, it's almost the same size Yung normal na DJI Action, mas mahaba lang ito ng konti. This one has a ball head. Technically, you can rotate this anywhere you like. And then, this more lightweight. Tapos mas mahaba siya. Yung difference na. Pero this one is more sturdy. Maganda yung pagkakagawa niya. Plastic is not cheap. Maganda yung, it's very sturdy at saka masarap siyang i-grip kasi may may parang rubbery. Tsaka yung plastic niya hindi siya ganun kadulas. So pag kilinip mo siya, okay naman siya. And then of course, nagpapabigat dito yung battery within. I think I got this for, let me see. I got this for 5,900 pesos sa Vizen. It's made by PGY Tech. That brand is an upcoming brand sa camera accessory business. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.